Welcome back to your emergency mentorship on flag pattern. So this is lesson 2 of 2, and we are going to be discussing about bearish flag. So these videos are helping you to become an institutional trader from a retail trader. So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and then turn up your notification and also like this video as well. So let's get started right now. So how to trade a bearish flag as an institutional trader. But before you start, let's do a little example on what other people teach on the YouTube channel compared to what I'm about to teach you right now. So what most of traders teach on the YouTube channel is like every single time you see this setup in the price, you set up, they'll call this level a resistance line. Sorry, I mean a support line. So they'll call you support. Let's type support line. Then they will call you also resistance line. So this is resistance line. Resistance line. So this is what I call this zone. So this is what most of YouTube traders teach on their YouTube channel on how to trade a bearish flag. And also after this, they'll call this place bearish pull. So from here, let me just use this red line. So they call this place a bearish pull. That is flag pull. So after calling this place a flag pull, and then they will say their entry here. So every single time there's a breakout, they don't even know the reason why there is breakout in the market, they will set their entry here, and then they will set their stop loss in the previous swing high, and then they will measure from this pull to the resistance for their take profit, from the height of this flag pull to resistance level. Then they'll project that copy, then so they'll place it here also from the resistance, and then they'll say that take profit here. So this is what most of people teach on the YouTube channel, most traders teach on the YouTube channel on how to trade a bearish flag. But I'm not going to teach you this, because I'm going to teach you the reason why price is doing what it's doing, and then the reason why price is forming all this pattern, you understand, as an institutional trader, and then how to trade it as an institutional trader. So, and then you should notice something. Most of retail traders, they're going to like to be entering. Let me just delete this. Most of retail traders, they're going to like be entry resistance and support zone. So most of them are going to like be taking short position here as a long position. Then they will say that stop loss, I don't know. Then they will say that take profit. Can you see? So all this area, it's liquidity automatically self. All these areas, you just know that price is going to like to go below it. All these areas are liquidity, and above it also is liquidity. So, but when you come to this place, can you see they're going to lose money here if they're using a support or resistance to enter the trade? Can you see? But how to trade a bearish flag as an institutional trader? So let's just go into the video right now. So let me delete all these, because you don't need them as an institutional traders. We don't use flag pull, we don't use resistance or resistance line or support line. So let me just delete everything. So okay, so after that, let me just put a mark here, so you can just know that this is the area we are talking about. Let me just put a sign here. Okay, so this is the area we are talking about. Okay, So how to trade this as an institutional trader? You have to study what is really happening in the in the market. You understand? You have to study what is really happening and then which direction is the price going to. If you have to see it from here, right there, you can see that we are going what, on a bearish direction. So every single time market is going on a bearish direction, you can see we have lower high, and then we have lower high, sorry, low, we have lower high, then we have low here. Why do you have low here? Because this low is breaking this low, you understand? So we call this place low. So we are not expecting price to go above this level. So we are not expecting price to go above this level. So what are we waiting for? What are we waiting to see in the market? When we see a little consolidation here, we can even call it a consolidation, you understand? Or when we see a bearish bull flag here, a bearish flag here, sorry, when you see a bearish flag here, you should just know that price is like tending to go up to this zone, you understand? Because there's other block here. Let me delete this so you can see the other block. So can you see there's other block here? This is where banks are placed their entry. This is where institutional traders are placed their entry, you understand? So you also have to place your entry in this zone, because when price gets to this level, it's going to come down, and then it's not going to break this height, because price is going what, on a bearish direction. So as an institutional trader, this is how we set our trade. We set our entry from here, and then we set our stop loss above it. And then, so let me delete this. So how to set, sorry, we set our stop loss above it, because we know that price is not going to go above it. Can you see? We know the reason why price is doing what it's doing right now. We know that price is not going to go above it. Reason why? Because price is going what, on a bearish direction. So that's just it. So where should you set our take profit? Every single place there's liquidity is where you should set your take profit. So you can see that we have a liquidity here. Price have to come down below this level. You can see price came down below this level also here. Can you see? You can see also price come down below this level here, because you are going what, on a bearish direction. So you can set your take profit in any place that there's liquidity. So you are going to know that price is going to halt for those liquidity, and the price is going to go above it, to go below it, you understand? And also yesterday I mentioned something on the chart, my previous video, like price taking liquidity. Also you can see this liquidity was taken in the market. Can you see? This liquidity was taken. Reason why this liquidity was taken, and then most of people are going to use this place as order block, of which is totally wrong. Can you see from here? Can you see? This level is taken, this high is taken. Reason why this high is taken, if you have to study this chart right there, you can see that this, what break this structure here, I mean, let me just, okay, sorry, let me use this. So you can see this is the previous low. This low did not break this previous low. If this low break this previous low, then we will not be expecting price to go above this level. But this low does not break this previous low, and then this one is going to change to automatically to liquidity, because this is what it's bank that make all this setup by themselves. It's bank that provide all this level by themselves. It's called mechanical liquidity, you understand? So bank have to opt for those liquidity to place down entry, you understand? Because many people are going to be using this level, that price is not going to go above this level, that this order block. This is not order block. Don't worry, I still have a series coming up on how to know the real order block, and then how to trade the perfect order block, you understand? Because this level right now is not breaking this previous low, so we can't call this one a breakout structure here, and then we can't use this order block here, you understand? So that is just it. So I didn't explain this one very well in my previous video yesterday, but I think with this explanation, you guys are going to get it right. So that is why you can see that price have to like just touch this tip of this other block here, this zone, and then from there it rallies down. So I told you where to set your take profit. Sorry, I've deleted the line. So this is where the next liquidity is. So you can just set your take profit here. Can you see? You can see we have a very nice movement when the price break the structure here. Just like pump, it's your take profit. You understand? So this is how to trade as an institutional trader. And then if you have any question about this, and then if you don't understand this, you can ask any question in the comment section. I'll be glad to receive those questions and then put answers to them. So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and then like this video as well. So see you guys in my next video. Bye.